So today I'm going to share how you can add month and year select option on Ninja Forms. So user will not be able to select date. They will able to only select months and year. So let's get it started. So the final layout will be something like this. So we can define the year and the month option from our backend. So user can only select both option. First, to go back to your form. So this is what I have already made. So I'm going to delete this one and add a new select field. And here I would like to add all the months option. So going to click import, and I have already predefined the month option. So the basically you will have to follow this example. So at first will be the level, part will be on the option field, and this is the value. So first will be the label and second will be the value. So this is how it should be on here. So after I will click import, all the option will be imported. So here all the option imported. So I can change to month, make it record field, done. And now let's add another select field and add our year here. So let's delete the existing options from there. Click to import, and here I would like to restricted the years from 1999 and to 2030. That means 2030. So I have used AI to write down in this format. So you can use AI to do this without manually writing. So just let me copy paste here. So here is the same format. First will be the value and second one is the first one is the level, second one is the value. So this is how I have write down. If you would like to make changes, you can add, remove or delete or whatever you prefer, or your personalize your range you can add there. So after click import, all the options has been imported. So let's rename to year. Let's publish and reload the form. So those are our existing value, it will be removed. So here is the month and here is the year option, but I would like to display side by side. So to do that, Ninja Forms has the custom CSS class. If you visit ninjaforms.com/docs/styling your forms, you will find the option styling field in rows. From here you will find the class name. So this is the class for making column, but the first column we should have the first class name and the second column will have only this name. So at first, if we would like to make a two column layout, so this is the first column, and under the display, under the container, first we have to write down the first. So it means this is the first column of our row, then 1/2. So it will take 50% of the width of the row. Then on the next column, this time we will add only the 1/2 class, because this is the second column and it should be just take the second of our main class. So let's make the changes. Click to reload. So the left column take the half of the available width, and the right column take the available 50% of the width from our column. So the first column ensure it will be on the left side, and the if you inspect element, you will see that. If you inspect here, you will see this is the where is our custom column? Yes, this is the first column ensure clear both, and margin left it's 0. So if you hover over the margin left, it's 0, but for the second you will find there has some margin on the left. So you see margin left is 2.5%. So that's why you will have to use first class on the first column of your row. So now the user can pick any month and year from the drop down. So this is how you can implement month and date or year selection option without the date picking option. I hope that helps. If you face any issue during the setup process, you can comment below. I will try to help you out. Thanks for watching the video and see you on the next time.